is Muhammad Ashan. I am the student of IMU group number 16 and my topic was drugs affecting our reproductive system. Here are some sex hormones and related drugs. Estrogen, anti-estrogen, progesterone, anti-progesterone, contraceptive drugs and drug acting on uterus smooth muscles. Here we have three major naturally occurring estrogens in women. Estradiol E2 is the predominant form in non-pregnant females. Estrogen produced during menopause. Estriol the primary estrogen of pregnancy. Here we have some pharmacological effects of estrogen. Development of a female genital tract and of female secondary sex characters. Maintenance of both proliferative and secretory phase of uterine endometrium. Ovulation and small dose increase or larger dose decrease. Development of a breast and lactation. Here we have anti-estrogen effects, partial agonist, antagonist, or anti-estrogen receptors, uses of anti-estrogen, anovulatory infertility, menstrual disorders, advanced breast cancer, functional ameorrhea, galactorrhea syndromes, adverse effect, multiple ovulation with multiple pregnancy, ovary infections, ovarian carcinoma following multiple exposures. Here we have progesterone pharmacological effects, converting the uterine epithelium from the proliferative to the secretory phase, inhibiting LS secretion and ovulation, development of galacto for thermoregulation, increasing body temperature, metabolism, antagonizing aldosterone, reducing hepatic drug metabolism enzymes. Here we have some adverse effect of progesterone, GI reaction, edema, virilization, acne, insulin, weight gain, etc. Here we have some contraceptive drugs that inhibit contraceptive drugs have been identified that inhibit fertility by a number of different mechanisms. For example, preventing ovulation, impairing in gametogenesis or gamete maturation, or interfering with gestation. Contraceptive drugs should extremely safe as well as highly effective. Its action must be quick in onset and quickly and completely reversible even after years of continuous use. It must not affect libido. Here for contraceptive drugs for female, inhibition of ovulation, prevention of fertilization, inhibition of implantation, use of spermicide in the vagina, and for male, direct inhibition of spermatogenesis, indirect inhibition of spermatogenesis. Here we have some drugs acting on uterus smooth muscle, stimulant of uterus, oxytocin, pituitrin, ergot, alcohol, prostaglandin, relaxant of uterus, retrodrine, terbutaline, salbutamol, magnesium sulfate. Here we have some pharmacological effects, uterine smooth muscle stimulation selectively and determined by functional state of uterus to vasal contraction effect, directly contract artery and venous vessels, damage vascular epithelial cells at high dose, lead to dry gangrene of epididymis, long-term use. And as acting on used in uterus bleeding, postpartum hemorrhage, migraine, adverse effect, GI disturbances, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, prolonged vasospasm, contraction, obstruction, vascular pregnancy, prostaglandin, dinoproton, dinoprost, sulforaphane, carbopos, and some drugs used in abortion combined with mifepristone, facilitation of labor, adverse effect, GI disturbance, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and contradiction, bronchial asthma, and glucose. Relaxant of uterus, erythrodyne, terbutaline, salbutamol, magnesium sulfate used, dysmenorrhea, premature birth.